doing some looking around online. Apparently I can cannibalize this bugger here to get that old Ford going.
The way I looked at it, it's the way of Africa. Maybe life.
So got her all tore down. I'm going to try something stunned maybe. I'm going to try to cut this little fella apart maybe and use this as a bracket. On second thought, I decided just to make my own little plate. It's just a piece of 3/16 aluminum. These are the pickups here. And this, I think you use this one for power to the coil. And then you got one of these as your pulse to the coil, and so it's not too hard. I just want to double check. So I got this bad boy wired up off camera, just temporary, dirty old temporary, for a little fuel jug. Ignition wire wedged in there. Should be able to pull them out if I need. Give them a little hosing. Choke stuck right on, but don't care about that. I think that's the bowls, isn't it? Now we'll see what she says. A bit closer, I guess. I can get at it. Said she's here.
Did you eat a lot of paint chips when you were a kid?
Why?
Ground on that one wire. Plug it in, I guess. No ground. Yes, we do. Give her a friggin' whirl now. So I guess this module that was out in the rain is no good now. For fuck's sakes. I mean,
The next day.
scare him. Fuel.
It ain't got no gas in it.
She's running though, the old cunt. It just took a little bit of Chevy to get her going.
Let's get her, boys.
Had to steal the module out of that, rig her in there and delete this stupid thing. Enough of that. Got a fresh tank of horse piss into her. Try her out. What's that even doing there? She don't like it. Why she gets so upset?
She did. She picked up a little bit there in the front.
Yeah. Hopefully she'll get off that jug here in a minute.
Hopefully. Should suck up fuel, you'd think. He was trying. She used the whole bowl that time.
Yeah. Yeah, she's like hanging up a little bit from the inside anyway.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
I tried to start backwards.
No.
No, the bowl's dry.
Oh my hook.
What is it going? Is it like actually going right fucking in the engine?
I don't know. I don't look it.
Oh yeah, buddy, she's running right in, I think.
Is it? Oh my, the carb is clear dinked.
No, stop. Okay, stop.
Just temporarily looking piss poor. I wonder if that. I wonder if that coil's getting upset now is why it's sputtering off.
Yeah, look. This one's full forward. This is right out of the center of them hoops.
Oh my.
You'll see it in a sec.
Oh yeah, I see it going. See the shadow anyway going. What the fuck? Try or anything? Clear off. That's a weird one. That's a weird one. Must not have picked her up because she's not super dripping.
I have to get her a quick fire.
Yeah, I would say that'll get her dialing. Yeah. I don't know why it sounds like a faucet running, but I think that's how you know it's good. Dirty old thing. Yeah, so that'll be what, round 3 or 4 or something next time.